ఈరోజు మనం విశాఖపట్నంలో ఇట్స్ ఇన్ విశాఖపట్నం. Actually, it's beside to Kanakamaleshwari temple. There is a church is nearly 200 years and more also. This is a church actually, built by Britishers. Those days they are reigned to India. So this is the place they are built this church. Actually, you can see the construction process. I mean, construction way, the photos, the old photos. This building is completely different. Those days photos. You can see Mariamma, Mary Mata, Mary Mother. This architecture is completely different. Those days they used the stones, is in different, very 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 different, and it's beautiful also. If you see the Jesus face, it's very cool, looking so good and nice, feeling very very happy. It gives a peaceness to our mind. Father stands over here. He do the prayer. Someone has lit the light here. Candles also here. You can see. And everybody will come to visit this place. The construction totally is different. So beautiful. And came out from this church. I mean, inside from the inside the church came outside. This is the construction completely is totally different. Those day time grills we can see over here. That doors totally different. Construction so beautiful. Nowadays we can't see like this construction. In special thing we can see the stones that are used here for this church is nearly 300 years and more also. We can see over the Mary Mata, I mean Mary Mother statue also there. A stone so different and beautiful. Some if face outside the face actually if you are going to see is new construction. I mean the welcoming arch is building is over here. A church outside. Completely we're just right now in the inside till now. We came outside right now. But here is the problem. Some plants is growing up there. This like actually is 200 years old. You can see the board over here, the details when it construction was done. From here I want to go back. Wow, it's beautiful.